Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate MGM Plus on Fire TV. Easy setup step by step clearly. To activate MGM Plus on your Fire TV, start by turning on your Fire TV device. Navigate to the home screen using your remote. Scroll down to the apps section. Look for the MGM Plus app in the list. If you don't see it, use the search function to find it by typing MGM Plus. Once you find the app, click on it to open. Select the option to download or install the app. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, open the MGM Plus app. You will see a welcome screen with an option to sign in. If you already have an account, select Sign In. Enter your login credentials when prompted. If you don't have an account yet, choose Sign Up to create one. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-up process. After signing in, locate the activation code displayed on your TV screen. Using a mobile device or computer, go to the MGM Plus activation webpage. Enter the activation code from your Fire TV screen in the provided field. Click on the Activate button to proceed. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your device has been activated. Return to your Fire TV and refresh the MGM Plus app. You are now ready to enjoy MGM Plus content on your Fire TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.